नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी 2020। 1. द विजन ऑफ NEP 2020 इज DSSSB PGT 2021। Answer A. To transform India into a vibrant knowledge society. 2. As a senior academician and admission counselor of a school, which of the following subject combinations you will suggest to students of an arts scheme as per NEP 2020? Answer D. Guide him to take his or her desired subject combination. 3. Suppose you are the academic head of your institution and you generally manage the subject combinations of the senior secondary students as per NEP 2020. Which of the following subject combination a student can avail in senior secondary? Answer C. One may have the freedom to opt for any subject combination. 4. According to NEP 2020, the medium of instruction up to class B in schools should be. Answer B. Mother tongue and regional language. 5. NEP 2020 is incorrect. A. Gross enrollment ratio in higher education to be raised to 30% by 2035. 6. According to NEP 2020, the primary activities of the NRF will be to A. Fund competitive peer-reviewed grant proposals of all types across all disciplines. C. Act as a liaison between researchers and relevant branches of government as well as industries. Answer A and C only. 7. NSQF organizes qualification according to a series of levels of. Answer C. Knowledge, skills, aptitude. 8. As per NEP 2020, the responsibility to develop an adult educator framework has been given to which of the following organizations? Answer D. Insert. No. The presence of which of the following points poses a challenge for the higher education system as per NEP 2020? A. Large affiliating universities. B. Ineffective regulatory system. C. Limited teacher and institutional autonomy. D. Emphasis on research. E. Efficient merit-based career management and progression of faculty members. Answer is A, B and C only. Thus, choice-based credit system of index graduate levels includes NTA UGC NET JRF Set 2022. A. Core course. B. Elective course. C. Ability enhancement course. D. Environment education course. E. English communication course. Answer is A, B and C only.